Hi go-getters, queens, and everyone in between. It's your girl Grace and welcome to my channel Gracefully. So this day has finally come. What day, you ask? The day where I am forced to retwist my hair on my own, by myself, with no Jeff. Because of the coronavirus and this quarantine stuff going on, I cannot see my loctician. But it's okay. Jeff said he believes in me. He thinks that I can do this and I can accomplish this. And I feel like you believe in me too. So this is going to be my first retwist tutorial. So before I get started, I want you to go ahead, hit that notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And let's get this party started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair. Now, you've seen me wash my hair, and if you haven't, I have some videos showing how I shampoo and all of that, so you can check that out. So I'm gonna wash it, and then when I get back, we are going to get this retwisting show on the road. All right, everybody, so my hair is now freshly clean and washed, and it's wet, just like I want it to be. All right, so let me tell you what products that I'm gonna use. I am not using a lot, so to retwist my hair, I'm going to use this 99% aloe vera jelly. It's from Lily of the Desert. I have not used this to retwist my hair before. I've used it for my edges, but we shall see. I've heard that some people have had some great success with this, so we'll see if I will have success as well. Also, I have this spray bottle, which contains Cortaz rose water. And I love this rose water, like I said, better than the Heritage brand. And this Moisture Miracle, I used this in the last video and I really liked it. And I also said that it smelled really good. You will love the smell. And it has castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil in it. So it has a lot. But let me warn you, when you use it and you put it in your scalp and throughout your hair, it does come out really fast. So you don't even have to squeeze for it to come out. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is spray my hair all over with the rose water. And as we learned from Jeff, rose water is an astringent. So it's better than just using water alone. All right, then I'm going to use this oil and put the oil throughout my scalp. And although I'm retwisting this myself, I do not plan on parting anything myself. I'm gonna let Jeff handle that the next time I go to him. Plus, I pull my hair apart a lot, and I know I talk about that often in my videos, but it helps so it won't stick together, so I won't have those two-headed dragons. Currently, all of my locks are individual. None of them have combined, so as you see, you can see the parts really good. And I did start off with the triangle parts and they still look like triangle parts. So like I said, I'm not gonna part it because that's not my specialty yet. Maybe one day. So what I'm gonna do now is take 4 ponytail holders and I'm gonna section my hair into 4 parts. Being that these ponytail holders are not very large, I'm just going to wrap it once because I don't want to make it too tight on my head. So there we go. And then another section right here and here. And I'm going to turn around so you can see. And these are going to be my sections. All right, so these are the clips that I'm going to be using. I will probably do about 3 twists to 1 clip, only because I don't have that many clips. And so you just got to do what you got to do. I tried to find some clips, but because of this coronavirus, like all of the beauty supply stores were shut down. So, hey, you just got to make it work. All right, so we're going to get started. My hair is still wet right now, so I don't need to add any water yet. I'm gonna put a little bit right here and I'm gonna put it on the lock, on the top where the new growth is. And I'm only gonna comb to where the lock starts. And then I'm going to make sure I do it clockwise because that is the way Jeff twisted my hair. And then I'm going to palm roll, palm roll, palm roll until it's tight, but not too tight. All right. And then where the texture changes is where I'm going to put the clip. And my hands right now are kind of sticky. And I'll clip it like this. And there you go. All right, and I am going to the next one. And we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna comb it down. And then, like I said, clockwise, twist, twist, and then palm roll it. I said tight, but not too tight. And there we go. And then I'm gonna take this clip right here and just slide it on over here. And there we go. And so now I'm just gonna keep doing it, but it's gonna be fast. All right, so trying to put 3 locks in one clip has been a little bit of a challenge because my locks are a little thick and the clip is not that large. So my husband is going to Walgreens to try to get me some clips. The only clips they have are the really long ones, and I think that that may be exactly what I need. So with that said, I'm just gonna turn around and show you what I have so far. I believe so far so good, even though of course I can't really see the back of my hair that great. So it may not be as perfect, but once I work my way on to the front, I'm going to definitely try to do as best as I can to make sure everything is neat and clipped down. So just waiting on him to come back. All right, so my husband came back with some clips. So I should at least be able to get 3 or 4 of these long ones. So I'm gonna get back to it. Alright, so now I have 16 locks left and I have 16 clips, and although they are long, I'm going to do 1 clip for each lock for the top, because like I said, I want it to be super neat at the top. But this is what it looks like currently. And I'm going to show you the other side as well. So I've done my best, although I can't really see the back, but I can see the front. And so we're going to get started with that. All right, go-getters and queens. So now I currently have 5 locks left. And as you see, I have this going this way, but I'm going to make it go this way because I like to frame my face. And the part kind of goes this way, so it lays down in this direction. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. It actually didn't take as long as I thought. Currently, I will have to say that it's been about, I don't know, maybe an hour. For some reason, I was thinking it was gonna be way more than that, but it's not like I have hundreds and hundreds of locks either. So that will probably be why, as you see, I'm combing it right here. In clockwise direction, I'm twisting, and then palm roll, palm roll, palm roll, palm roll, and then I am going to clip it down. Bam. See? But yeah, so I'm really hoping that it turns out well. This is my first time doing this. As the saying goes, desperate times calls for desperate measures. Because I really do like going to the salon and getting my hair washed by somebody else and getting them to do all of this. And Jeff, you know, he does such a great job. He's so knowledgeable. And I know this will not even come close to how great of a job he does. But I think he's equipped me with tools that I need to succeed. But with that said, if there was anything that I would do differently, I would definitely have more clips. I know a lot of people don't mind having more than one lock in a clip, but I would rather have all of my locks have their own separate clip, and I like the smaller clips, but I'm using what I got, you know. You do what you can with what you got. Clipping that in. Alrighty. And 2 more to go. And I hope this has been helpful for you all that may be thinking about retwisting your own hair. Like I said, this was not something I was planning on doing. I mean, I thought eventually I would do it, but not right now. But you do what you gotta do. I'm actually filming a music video tomorrow, and so that's why it was very important for my hair to be fresh. So let me do this again. Twisting. There we go. Alrighty. And so I wanted it to be fresh and neat. Alrighty. And everybody, this is the last one. Just sprayed it with the rose water again because it was a little dry. Get my aloe vera jelly. Put it right here. Comb down to it. And clockwise. Because all of mine are clockwise. You definitely want to twist the way your hair is going. So I got that. And there we go. Now I know when Jeff usually does my hair and he retwists, he usually retwists them all to the back. But I kind of retwisted them to the side and to the back, and so hopefully it comes out all right me doing that. At least I hope so. If not, next time I'll have them all going to the back. But here we go. I am all clipped. I'm gonna turn around for you so you can see. And I'll bend over. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. And once it's dry, I will be back to take it out. But before I do, because you know I love to spray, I'm gonna spray one more time. And just put a little bit of oil in my hand. I know Jeff usually puts his mousse, that's a non-alcoholic mousse, but I don't have that. And so like I said, I gotta use what I got. So I'm just oiling since my hair's still a little wet. So I sprayed the water for the moisture and the oil to seal in the moisture. Alrighty, and we're good to go, and I will be back once it is dry. So my hair is almost dry completely, but what I'm going to do is blow dry my hair a little bit because it is nighttime and I do not want to go to sleep with these clips in because I am almost 100% sure that that will not be comfortable at all. So I am going to blow dry. Now the time has come to take out these clips and see how my hair turned out. So excited. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. All right, and here is my last clip. And it looks like it's all done. I'm gonna turn around. And the last thing I wanna do is just put a little more oil in my scalp. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna wrap my hair up. It'll be nice and shiny in the morning. The only thing I really don't care for too much is this part. It looks like maybe I should have at least did this part more to the back because I can't really move it out here. But everything else looks pretty good. So after taking a good look at my hair, I was not satisfied with this one piece right here. So I did redo it and I have it going towards the back so that way it should fall the way I want it to fall. And also I realized that I had missed one. And so I went ahead and redid this as well. So I can actually manage going to sleep with just 2 clips in my head. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna wrap my hair up in my scarf, and so we'll see the final product at the end. We'll see how it turned out. So thank you all for bearing with me. Again, this is my first time, so I am doing the best that I can. But yeah, so I just redid that over, and it should be dry by the time I wake up. All right, everybody, so I'm about to take out this last clip that I redid. And here we go. That's how it turned out. I love it. What do you think? Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this was helpful and informative for you. And I would ask for you to all go ahead, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. As always, there is no such thing as a box. Let's go get it.